And now at noon, another court hearing was held for the man who police say is behind a brutal beating on a Miami Metromover. The victim in that attack is concerned that he was released from jail just days after the beating. CBS 4's Peter Dench is live in Miami. And Peter, we understand the subject was not in court?
Maribel, he was not, but it was indeed a spirited hearing. Now, Andrea Puerta's attorney says the alleged attacker, Joshua King, should be held without bond, and he argued that before the judge. As we see right here in this video, attorney Kurt O'Brant and the victim, Andrea Puerta, appeared at the Zoom hearing. Surveillance cameras captured this brutal attack on the night of September 4th at the 5th Street Metromover station. Puerta was left with a broken rib and swollen jaw and a concussion after what she said was an unprovoked attack by the 20-year-old King, a stranger. She was hit more than 20 times, kicked in the head, and thrown against the side of the car, as her attorney noted.
Basically pummeled my client, rendered her unconscious, broke her rib, completely unprovoked. We think he's a danger to the community. The video, as we mentioned, Judge, is attached to their motion on a link. It speaks for itself. What this man did to this young lady, 125 pounds. I think he's 225, 6'2". She's 5'3". It was just horrific.
But the law is very clear that in the state of Florida, the presumption is the person's entitled to a bond. And bonds are normally set automatically. I mean, if a person is arrested, except if it's a non-bondable offense, like maybe a homicide or anything punishable by up to life in prison, so he's entitled to a bond.
Now, the judge ruled that King could remain out on bond while being treated by 2 psychologists and wearing a GPS monitoring device in the Tallahassee area where the suspect is from. The judge also ordered mental health evaluations and another hearing coming up on October 14th. Meanwhile, Andrea Puerta and her attorney are holding a news conference this afternoon to announce a lawsuit against both Miami-Dade County and the security company for Metromover. We're live in Miami. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News. Maribel?